How to fix videos not playing on Telegram web. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So sometimes simply refreshing the web will also fix the problem. If it does not fix the problem, simply log out of Telegram and then log back in. After that, tap on this three dot and then simply remove or delete the cookies from your browsing data. So simply go to delete browsing data, select browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and then select delete data. Confirm deleting and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.